Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 10 best drones for beginners in 2021, available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 10 best drones for beginners in 2021. Number 1. Holystone F181W Wi-Fi FPV Drone. The Holystone F181W is an absolute favorite among beginner drone pilots thanks to its quality assortment of onboard features mixed with an exceptionally affordable price tag. With a simple video game console-like controller, the Holystone F181W is a great beginner drone choice for use with children. Even adults find this drone model to be among the best available on the market for both its features and price. Real-time FPV transmission directly to your smartphone app. LED lights allow for nighttime entertainment. Easy-to-use controls that provide enhanced responsiveness for new pilots. 720p HD camera for entertaining and enchanting videos and photos. Number 2. Force One U818A HD Camera RC Quadcopter. Many beginner drone pilots put their budget before all else. If that's you, then the Force One U818A is the ideal drone for you. With a very affordable price tag, you'll find that this model can still accomplish a lot. With a simple portfolio of videography and stunt features, the Force One U818A is definitely designed for those who want to show off their abilities soon after picking up their first drone. Records video with 1080 by 720 resolution at 30 fps. Comes with a spare battery. Includes a low battery alarm to ensure safe landings. Data cable makes it easy to remotely upload videos and photos. Number 3. Holystone HS100 RC Drone. Most beginner drones come in around a similar price range and provide a similar level of quality and performance. But for just a little bit extra, you'll be able to get more than the average fare with the Holystone HS100. A slight step up from the FHS181W model, this drone is capable of capturing even clearer video and flying an even further distance. The Holystone HS100 is definitely geared at the same audience as Holystone's other entry-level models, which is to say, those interested in getting started in the drone hobby without a substantial monetary investment. Many Holystone HS100 owners note that the controller for this model is more ergonomic and comfortable to use compared to similar models. This can go a long way when it comes to operating the drone over extended periods of time. GPS-assisted flight for improved location accuracy. Low battery and signal loss auto return. 500 meters flight range for improved versatility. Great price for improved features. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 4, Holystone HS200. While many drones, beginner and otherwise, are focused on their onboard photo and video recording hardware, the Holy Stone HS200 instead focuses on its flying capabilities while putting camera equipment on the back burner. With a bevy of flight-centric features, you'll have unparalleled control over this drone's flight. Designed for those with the skies in mind, this model is among the most navigable and easy to pilot on the market. When it's time to recharge, the Holy Stone HS200 brings an unmatched level of convenience to the necessary process. Rather than being forced to remove the battery for each and every recharge, this model features a USB charging system that allows you to charge the battery while it is still in the device. 4 transmission channels allowing for up to 4 craft to operate at once. Simplified takeoff and landing. Integrated USB charging. 6-axis gyroscopic controls for enhanced mobility. Number 5, GoPro Karma with Hero 6. May beginner drone pilots balk at the lack of familiar names in the drone market. The GoPro Karma should provide them some familiarity, as GoPro is already world famous for their nearly indestructible compact cameras and an assortment of specialized off-road filming equipment. The GoPro Karma finds itself well within this quality tradition, making it an optimal pick for those who already own or believe in GoPro's equipment. The GoPro Karma is optimized for use with GoPro's modern Hero 6 camera. However, the centralized grip system can also be adapted to fit the similarly shaped Hero 5 camera, if you already own one. Optimized for use with GoPro cameras. Most stable video recording in industry. Automatically follows the primary controller. Extremely lightweight form factor. Number 6, Potensic D25 RC Drone. A step up from bare-bones beginner drones, the Potensic D25 offers a strong level of performance for only a slightly higher than average price tag. Regarded by some online experts as a class leader, this model can provide almost everything a new drone pilot could want with a little extra. With up to 10 minutes of flight on a single battery charge, you'll be able to use the Potensic D25 to capture some exceptionally interesting video shots. Without recording video, this battery can even last longer! 9-axis gyroscope for added wind resistance. 300 meters control range with 10 minutes of battery power. 1080p HD quality video optimized for uploading. 3D VR functionality. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 7, Altair #AA108RC Quadcopter. Like many other types of consumer electronics, drones are by nature fragile. This issue is further exacerbated by their primary function and use several stories above the ground. Though no drone can survive every crash, the Altair #AA108 was designed with such durability in mind. First-time drone pilots and their parents will truly appreciate this attention to quality construction, especially as the pilot in question gains firm handling of the drone's controls, with a few minor crashes along the way. Though a smartphone isn't required to fully enjoy the Altair #AA108, this model's app does offer the ability to make custom flight paths. This can be especially useful when trying to film custom shots without manual guidance. Best durability among beginner drones. Out-of-range alarm for enhanced safety. 10-minute flight time. 3 flight modes for multiple skill levels. Number 8, Altair 818 Hornet Beginner Drone. Getting a drone out of the air can be difficult under regular circumstances. This issue is double concerning when you notice that the battery is running low. The Altair 818 Hornet works to combat both concerns by making takeoff and landing as simple as possible, even under adverse conditions. Those looking for a drone that will protect itself and keep the expensive onboard technology safe will definitely find the Altair 818 Hornet to their liking. While the Altair 818 Hornet's 15-minute time is exceptional, this represents only half of its flight time capabilities. In fact, this model comes with 2 batteries standard, allowing it to fly for up to 30 minutes at a time. That far outpaces other beginner drones when it comes to flight time. Emergency automatic landing for device safety and preservation. 15-minute flight time for extended flights, with 2 batteries for up to 30 minutes. 3 flight modes for a variety of skilled pilots. Specialized in aerial videography. Number 9. Parrot Bebop 2 Compact Drone. Some beginner drone users want to jump immediately in the deep end and pilot a higher-end drone right off the bat. The Parrot Bebop 2 can provide this, as it includes a wide array of high-end features for all types of aerial photography and videography. Drone hobbyists on a budget should shy away from this pricey model unless they are intending to take the next step towards owning a high-end drone designed with optimal functionality and reliability in mind. For added convenience, every picture and every second of video is saved and easily accessible on the Parrot Bebop 2's smartphone app. 25-minute battery. With this exceptionally long single battery life, you won't be forced to land your drone every several minutes in order to recharge it. Long shots and long exposures will always be an option with this much battery life on board. 25-minute battery for exceptionally long flights. 1.2-mile flight range for improved navigability. 3-axis stabilization system. Comes with FPV goggles. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 10. Parrot PF728,000 An AFI drone. Out-of-date technology can often be a liability. Remaining up-to-date can be time-consuming, though, even for a readily available piece of technology like a smartphone or smartwatch. The Parrot PF728,000 tries to remove some of that hassle by keeping itself up-to-date with all newly released software patches. Those who want their new drone to remain on the cutting edge should definitely put this model high on their list. To add to an already great portfolio of photography features, the 21MP camera also includes an f/2.4 wide-angle ASPH lens and 2.8x digital zoom. No matter the location, you'll always be able to snap the ideal aerial photograph with the Parrot PF728,000. Simply put, the Parrot PF728,000 costs a fair amount. Though not the most expensive drone by far, its price tag may put it out of reach of some entry-level pilots, especially if they are buying it for their children. 25-minute battery life even while filming the video. Auto-updating software for continual quality assurance. Timer and burst options for enhanced photography. Can fly at up to 55 km per hour, 34 miles per hour. So these are the best drones for beginners in 2021, which you can buy this year. If you know any other best drones for beginners in 2021, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.